Hi friends, want to personalize your Samsung Galaxy phone? Setting a custom wallpaper on your home screen is one of the easiest ways to give your device a fresh, unique look. Whether it's a favorite family photo, a travel memory, or a stunning landscape, Samsung makes it simple to use any image as your wallpaper. Start by opening the Gallery app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Browse through your albums and tap the picture you want to use as your new home screen wallpaper. Once the image is open, tap the More icon, the three dots located in the bottom right corner of the screen to access additional options. From the menu, select Set as Wallpaper. Your phone will display several choices, including the home screen, lock screen, or both. Tap Home Screen to continue. You may be prompted to adjust, zoom, or crop the image so it fits perfectly on your display. Take a moment to position the photo exactly how you want it, ensuring the most important part of the image is visible. After making your adjustments, tap Done or Apply to confirm your selection. The wallpaper will be saved automatically and applied to your Samsung Galaxy home screen. To make sure everything looks the way you expected, return to the home screen. You should immediately see your selected image displayed as the new background. If the wallpaper appears exactly as you wanted, then the process was successful. That's all there is to it. Your Samsung Galaxy home screen now features your chosen wallpaper, giving your device a fresh, personalized appearance. Change it anytime to match your style, mood, or favorite memories.